Hi. Thanks that we can present here. We're very happy and honored to join the Blockchain Game Alliance. And yeah, I would like to tell you something about our project called QUDO. Let's share my screen. Okay. Yeah, I'm here to present our gaming platform QUDO. It's created by a company I established together with a Portuguese business partner of mine called João. And after the crypto boom of 2017, which was quite crazy, we saw a lot of projects were actually being promised but not delivered, and a lot of money was collected for projects that basically never happened. So we decided we wanted to do this in a different way and actually start developing first, work towards proof of concepts, and then launch and see if we need any further investment. And our main project we're working on right now is QUDO. This is our team. So we started 3 years ago and have been developing the QUDO platform, also some other projects, and a showcase game. But first, more about QUDO. Yeah, what we see happening is that in gaming, you have the situation that gamers, they want a fun game. And yeah, they're willing to pay money for that. So this is a pretty simple transfer, money for fun, basically. But of course, this is an ideal situation, and this is not how it works. What actually happens is, yeah, game developers have a hard time of earning money. That's on the one hand because they have to go through certain platforms or distributors that take a lot of the income. Also, with their low income, they're forced to basically make the game less fun. They introduce things like loot boxes, for example, but also ads. And this leads to the situation where, yeah, when you're a gamer, you have to pay a lot of money, but you get a game that's less fun and sometimes even ads in it. And also you have to give your data away to advertisers. So we don't believe this is the ideal situation. So yeah, we see these issues for game developers. They have a problem of how to get paid enough. Especially smaller developers have a hard time starting. You have to fund a game beforehand, put a lot of time and effort into it, and then you have to see if it works out. So this is a really tough business. And then even if it's very successful, sometimes you don't get a lot of the profits. Next to that, with the low funding, it's a very competitive market and it's hard to attract new players. Of the new players, the engagement is low. There are so many games to choose from that the bounce rate is quite high. Somebody tries out a game and then quickly leaves. The advertising makes the game less fun, and also it's very hard to connect to other game developers and professionals. So it's hard to find better graphic designers, for example, to make your game better. So it's a really difficult business, especially when you're just starting out. Yeah, we think it should be fun. Of course, we see a lot of initiatives that are about play to earn. So you play a game and you can earn money. And we want to flip this around. We want gamers to be able to earn to play. So how does this work? We have a rewarding mechanism that game developers can implement in their games. And for the amount of time that gamers play in a game, the gamer gets coins that are newly generated, tokens, and the game developer gets coins from, on the one hand, the amount of gamers that are playing in the game of the developer. So if you have a very successful game, you will earn coins for all those players. And of course, those players, they want to spend the coins. They're going to use it for in-app purchases. And next to that, we also allow the game developers to use all these earned tokens to actually hire professionals. We'll also have a place where you can find professionals that are willing to work in return for QUDO to help you out. So it's a proof of gameplay rewarding mechanism. We use a cross-game token called QUDO that is running on the Telos network, which is similar to EOS, for example. We have an easy to implement SDK. Currently, we service only Unity games, but in the future we will also service other game engines. And important, we think game developers should worry about gaming, so no blockchain experience is required. We take care of everything. So our target groups are gamers, game developers, and service providers. So what we offer is, a crypto reward for in-game time and performance. So gamers are more engaged and are also able to earn something from the time they invested in a game, and they can use this also in other games that use our tokens. So time is basically never wasted. So you might give it a bit more time to see how it works, to see if you can earn some tokens, but then mostly, if you can find things to spend it on. We think this is a better alternative than in-game advertisement. We think it makes sense to have in-game advertisements when it's really hard to earn money the normal way. And we want to firstly supplement the earnings of game developers, but in the future, it would be nice if game ads are not necessary if you earn enough via our platform. So, of course, it's crypto, so it also comes with immediate and easy peer-to-peer payments. And you can benefit from the QUDO ecosystem where all these games are in it. So there will be cross referrals. You'll be able to see other games that use this. So you can benefit from each other's success. As I said, we will also offer a link to service providers that can help you out with all these things that as a game developer, you don't want to worry about. Well, in order to showcase this, of course, we want game developers to implement it, but we also wanted the full experience ourselves. So we created a game called Blocks the Game. And it's a tower defense game where each level explains how a specific blockchain works. So for starters, it's about getting more people to understand blockchain, of course, but also to showcase our tooling. So this is something, it's in the testing phase. You can become a tester, you can try this out, see how it works. And also we will release this in the future as a way for people that are new to blockchain to understand it. Currently, we have 14 games that are implementing our platform. And our next steps will be, we currently have a working alpha version of the platform. We have a testnet with over 2,000 users. We want to go to a mainnet in the second quarter of this year. We have a working showcase game, so you can really try it out and see how it works in game. And we're currently considering funding opportunities, but I cannot share anything about that at the moment. We will have PC game support coming. For now, it's mostly mobile. We will offer things like crowd testing games. We will use QUDO as a sort of incentive for people to test out games that are not that good yet. We have this gaming services marketplace. We will have a wallet later this year, and non-fungible tokens are, of course, a logical next step. We've had quite some media attention already, so that's very nice to see. I would really love it if you try out our SDK, if you go to our dashboard and see how it works, see if you can perhaps implement it in your game. And try out Blocks the Game. Get on the testing list. It's a really fun game. If you like tower defense games, you will certainly love this. And if you want like your nephew to understand the blockchain, or your grandma, of course, this game is the way to go. So thanks for your time. You can find us on the socials, and have a nice day.